welcome back. This is David Dodge and Mike Slane, the Discount Property Investors. Today, we're going to be talking about REI Black Book's task management system. Guys, this is the nuts and bolts of the CRM, right? It is literally creating the tasks and having a management system as well as a team so you can get started following up with your prospects, right? So when a prospect calls in or fills out a web form or goes on the website and they fill out information, that's just the beginning, right? Now what you have to do is analyze that particular property as well as reach out to that individual seller or property owner. So by creating tasks and having a team to manage those tasks is how it gets done. Oftentimes we will have a new lead that comes in and we're not able to reach that particular seller right away. So by creating tasks, we can put them into, a follow-up that myself or Mike or one of our team members can continuously follow up and call these individuals so we can get them on the phone. Let's watch a quick demo to see how exactly this works.
Stay organized and on task with the REI Black Book Task Manager. Easily assign individual tasks to contacts and properties, or create a project and add a pre-built task template for those tasks that you do on a regular basis. Have a growing team? Great! REI Black Book makes it easy to add your team members and assign them tasks so you can focus on what you do best. The Team Activities feed allows you to see all of the activity of your team so you know exactly what is getting done and when. Utilize our team permissions feature so you know your team members can only access the tools and resources they need to get the job done. For example, if you don't want your virtual assistant to be able to delete contacts or edit your websites, then as the admin, you can easily turn those features off so they will not see them in their account. When talking to a new lead on the phone, REI Black Book makes it super easy to take detailed notes and assign a date-based task so you can ensure that you will follow up with your prospects as promised. Get notified on the go and access your task lists from your mobile device. As you can see, a new task was just assigned to me that is due today for Clark Griswold. REI Black Book will send you real-time text notifications when you have a task that is due, so you can seamlessly follow up. Simply click the link in the text so you will be taken directly to your task where you can access the prospect's contact record, notes, and past activity. From the contact record on your mobile device, simply click the phone number and call out directly from your profit dial number. REI Black Book helps you stay up to date on your tasks and appointments so nothing falls through the cracks. Get started automating your business today with REI Black Book.
Wow, I love it. Go ahead, Mike.
Very, very cool, man. Again, REI Black Book has grown so much in the time that we have used it from back in 2013. They do all this amazing stuff now. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is to get organized, use CRM, and have tasks. So what we would really, really encourage you guys to do if you're interested in building out your CRM and getting your team involved, check out reiblackbook.com/DPI. What that is going to get you is a free trial. This is only for our listeners. Again, REI Black Book has not given free trials away before. You've got a 14-day free trial. They also waive the $9.97 licensing fee, and they're going to give you access to a couple of free training seminars or training courses.
That's right.
So again, this is a very, very cool deal that they've given to our listeners and our audience. Check it out, take advantage, and start doing more deals, guys.
That's right. reiblackbook.com/DPI. Check it out.